In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get the GCam for your brand new Poco F7. So let's just jump straight into it without wasting any time. We're gonna navigate obviously to our browser. Now, unfortunately, I am unable to add links in the description of the channel. It's a little bit too small, so you will need to kind of go through this with me, which, well, I'm at it. It would really help me if you would subscribe. In any case, we're gonna select right here, well, actually, let's start off with the search. So you want to go to your browser and search for GCam for Poco F7. You can also just directly navigate to the gcamapk.io website, but searching is actually just much easier for me. So that's what I like to do. And as you can see, it shows up right here. So we're gonna click on this and then just gonna scroll down to, I went too far. It gets to here. Now, I did select the first one, so PSG, I think it was. And then by scrolling down, we do have, there we go, several different options. Now, from these options, the one that I have tested and the one that actually works for me is the first one, the LMC one. In terms of the application look, it's actually the least GCam looking application, as just to kind of showcase this. That's the icon for it. And it just works fine. Like I said, I tested it. It does work. And basically all the video and photo modes, so I stopped basically searching for more. But if you want something that just has a bit of a different appearance, as most of these ones that are developed by other creators will have just a little bit of a different look. So you can check out, maybe all of them work. Like I said, I only stopped at the first one, as that's the one that already worked for me. So you just click on the download link right here. As you can see, it's downloading. Then you're gonna just open it up, and instead of update for you, it will say install. Chances are you might actually need to first give the phone permission, or more like the browser permission, to install unknown sources. It will redirect you to it. Once you check the box, which is blocked by a 5-second timer, you'll then be able to install your APK. And once you do, you will have this kind of APK if you went with the same one as I did. And just to lift it up a little bit, you can see it works right here, and it works fine. More than fine, I would say. So this is the first. Then we have the 2x zoom. We also get the video, which also works, you can see. And just to kind of give you a quick glimpse of the photos that you get, just like two ones. I'm gonna just show right here on the phone, so not the best way, but still you at least can have some kind of image. So this is the default one. And just to point out the tiny bit of a difference, or more than tiny, I would say, in person, the highlights, specifically the light areas, these are like way bright. And if you compare it to this one specifically, you can see it's way more toned down. Now, I'm not sure if this is being kind of picked up accurately, but this photo looks much darker, the one that is captured by GCam. And yeah, I don't think the camera that I'm using is picking this up too well. Oh, never mind, it is. Like, holy hell, that is a big difference. So you can see this is just completely overblown compared to this one. Now, I do want to point out that this is partially the overblown portion. Might be just to do with my camera, how it's set right now. So it's looking at the screen, it doesn't look like it's not completely washed out in the like this white areas right here, but it's still brighter than I would say it should be. Well, this is more warm. It has this specific kind of GCam look to it, and in my opinion, it does look pretty good. And in terms of camera quality, you can see these are still just superb in terms of sharpness. So if I again compare it to this one, I think it's, yeah, so we had the same one. This one just looks actually a little bit sharper, I would say. I think it had a little bit more processing done compared to the GCam, but GCam just looks more natural. So anyway, that's about it. Now, if you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you could actually hit that like and subscribe button. And in any case, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.